Hello friends, this is Soumya. Today I am going to explain you my database exercise. It's based on triggers. So, what is meant by triggers? Triggers are nothing but a procedure, stored procedure in a database, which get fired or get executed when DML command events get executed. We'll just create a trigger on DML events such that delete, update, or insert. Not to make the tables get changed, triggers are used, and then you go to the syntax. This is the syntax is for trigger, create or replace trigger, trigger name, and it can be after or before the trigger is before the DML commands, whatever you can update, delete, and insert on the table name, and for each row or it can be for statements, then use begin and end. This is just a PLSQL block. Then they just ask you, will go to the questions here, they just ask you to create a trigger not to delete, not to allow the delete operation on supply table. Then go to the code here, just same like this on the table supplier. Then if deleting, then if you are trying to delete, then just you are going to raise an application error, whatever statement, whatever you want to go print on this will print. It just end. The trigger got created here, and just will create the trigger. We'll create the trigger first. It's running. Trigger got created, and we'll just delete something from supplier table. We'll see whether it comes. See, here we got an output like delete cannot be possible. Created the trigger, and the statement got done that delete cannot be possible. In the second question, they just asked to raise an user-defined error. Does not allow updating on an order table. Same like a deleting one, you should not update the value. Same like you use updating. And then if you try to update order one, like customer ID is equals to 2, you will not get updated one. Will just execute the query. It will get yeah. See, update operation cannot be executed. The third question here: create a trigger to implement differential integrity policy on delete set null in the order line table. Here the queries just ask you to make the order one order ID as null in the order one table if you're deleting the order quantity. So here we'll make the trigger, and then we'll try to delete the value. You can't do that, updation cannot be done. And coming to the next query, they just ask you create a trigger for the customer table that inserts the newly inserted values in the customer audit table in case of insert operation. In case of insert operation, here they just ask you to create a new table. So I have just created create table customer audit, and just mention customer ID, customer name, and city in that. And then I have created a table, and this trigger should come after I insert the value. So I will just first insert the values in this, and then when I execute the trigger should not come. First let me insert the values. After I have inserted the values also, and then I'll just select the table. Nothing is there in the table, I just inserted the value, and then the trigger executed. Then the only one row got executed because I have just inserted only one row here. Go to the next question. Just have create a trigger which raises a user-defined message and does not allow updating the supplier table if the supplier date is greater than the current date. We'll go to this. They just ask you to make a trigger before an insert operation on the supplier table, and then if the new date, whatever date you are giving, is less than the current date, then you have to raise an error. That is the trigger what we have created. So just first we'll just run the supplier table. Okay, we have the table here now. Then the trigger got created. Then we'll just try to insert the value over here. Okay, when I try to insert, it should not get inserted. It should keep insert not possible, because when I am creating the trigger, that should execute before the insert. Before insert, the trigger should come. So the trigger will not give us any value. There's a question here, should display the message that if the supplier date is greater than the, or it's wrong, like less than the current date, and that gives the statement, and the trigger got executed for the insert value, and insertion is not happened in this, so insert not possible. Thank you.